Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life, and welcome to the final Tinsel Tiny Tuesday for Christmas in July. And I'm excited to hopefully finish a couple of these. And I've got my little binder here with the green bow. I still have 2 of those left on my website. I double checked before I started doing this. So I have $22, and I'd like to think I will finish a few. But you never know. I don't know if you saw my Monday full of minis. That was that poor little Santa Yogi, man. He's just never getting any love. So I am just going to get started. I'm trying to make a quick video for once. So I've got my Tina, and yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everything will get $1. I don't have any 5, so I'll just blaze right through the $22, and then we'll see what we've got left. So here we go. 4, 3, 1. I almost put that on there. 2, 6, 6. Oh my gosh, who recognizes this pattern? 2, 1, 4, 4. There we go. Very different than many Mondays. And 2, 5 again. 6, 6, 2, 6. I have 2 more dollars. 5, and last one is 3. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for Norellis Budgets. Cute little freebie she had. I love this one. I love the candy canes. So I got 5 for that. Oh. And then this is done, so we'll ring the bell at the end. Let's see. Let's do this one next. Cute little Elaine Realized with her Christmas in July. I shrunk this one down a lot, so it's normally a little bigger, but this one does have the water behind it, so he's not surfing in the desert. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. We just needed $1. So I'm going to put 1 here. This is now finished. I'm going to put the one that we used to finish it back. And then I'm going to just put this to the side because I have a feeling I can use it to help with this one. So we have Christmas Avocado from Hey K Budgets. I also shrunk this one down a lot. I really like tiny things. So I just wish you could see that he's jump roping Christmas lights because that's just killing me. So we needed 4 and we got 3, but I'm going to take 1 from the one we just finished from Elaine Realized from this one. So now we finished it. Yay. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to take these finished ones here. I am going to do 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this one's done. Put that there. Let's see what we got. The popsicles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We only needed 2. I'm going to do that. So I'm going to put these 2 away, and then 1 and 1. Santa's chilling with the popsicles. This is from Julie's Pages. She has a lot of really cute tinies that are freebies and cute ones on her Etsy. So let's do this one next. This one we'll just take whatever the total is and put it here. So we got 1, 2, and 3. This is also Hey K Budgets. This is her little watermelon with the Santa hat on. Super cute. 3 for this guy. Yay! We've already finished 4. Oh, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. We finished 5. Well, that's a way to end Christmas in July. So I'm not sure we'll be able to finish this guy, but let's see what we got. We got 1, 2, and 3. Let's do it in green this time. So we got 1, 2, and 3. And I think I'm going to leave these to get started on the new ones. So I'll just leave this cute Christmas one from Bookish Mama Budgets in with our Tiny Tuesday, because it's super cute. Because, you know, how often do you see a bunny riding a unicycle in a ornament? I'd say probably never. So this is ongoing. So these $3 went into that. So that goes here. So now we need a lot. We need 5 tiny challenges. And who wants to guess that I still haven't fixed anything? So let's see what we got. And I didn't add anything. Oh, we got the Olympics. I'm going to do my Olympics in my tinies and in my... I shrunk a lemonade. Good for me. So this is Bookish Mama Budgets. I don't think I said it. I didn't do a very good job saying where the challenges came from in Monday Full of Minis video. So this is got lemons, make lemonade. So I'll use this one for sure. The soccer for Olympics is Budget with Tiffany. So I need 5. I'm going to do I have all the Olympics? Maybe not. Look at how cute the little dinosaur is. Well, yeah. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 5. I need more time to just go through what I have. How cute is that? I love Halloween, so I'm going to use this cutie pie from Becca Budget 777. Pretty sure I bought this one. Pretty sure. So, all right, so these will be our 5. Those are really cute. And I think I'm going to finally fix my Tuesday Full of Tiny envelope for my extra tinies. It's really just my extra tinies. That's the only one that needs attention. And we will get the randomizer money ready. Okay, so we have $2 for each. So I'm going to take the 2 Olympic ones. Yeah. So these guys, so these 3 will end up with that one. So that's 4, and then this is 5, 6. So I am going to make each one $1 because that's what I do. Let's see. Red, white, and blue. Let's use our blue marker. So let's just 1 and 2, and then 1 and 2. Yay, I'm super happy about that. So this is money that's ongoing, so we'll put that here. So then we've got our 6 challenges ready to go for next Tuesday. Little Olympics, little lemonade, little holiday, and just a cute dinosaur from our beautiful budgets. So awesome. So now let's see what we can do. So we need 5 and 5 is, so 5, 10, 15. Wow, that's really hard. So I need $15 for that one. 5 for that. This one is 18. 5. Let's see. 8 and 8 is 16 and 4 is 20. Okay, so let's take out our money. And now we can combine all of our money because everything's going back in here or being paid to a challenge. So what's our highest one? 20. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20. Should I just do that when everything else is ones? I'll do 10, 5, and 5. So let's do 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that one needs 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, this is the most I've ever cleaned out my little tinies before. So this is all we have marked off that's open in our Tiny Tuesday. Yay, that's super fun. Okay, so now we're going to go to the randomizer money. Wait, what happened to my money? Oh, is this one? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yes, it is. All right, so we've got that one. Just going to double check. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5, 10, 15. Okay, perfect. Look at that. Do I ding the cha-ching 5 times? That's a lot. Yeah. No, I don't like that any better. Yay. Yeah. No. Woo. Oh, I don't know what to do with my hands. I want to do something fun. Okay. Yay. How about that? Just a flat out yay. All right, so now these guys, I am going to put in my completed challenge folder because envelope because I want to see this added to that. And I didn't show you that after Monday full of minis. Look at it. I can't even zip it. Isn't that crazy? So look out for this video where I undo it, where I unstuff it. And then the next video right after that will be when I do my randomizer. So I was surprised that my views on last month's was so low, especially when I accidentally did a spicy version when I didn't mean to. So I'm going to try to be a little more prepared for this, but I am so excited to unstuff that. I am very excited to see how much my extra debt is going to be. So now we can add all of this back up. I mean, add this. We don't want to add it back up. I mean, we can, but I'm just going to add it to my... Should we count our randomizer? So we have this money, plus we have a lot of money in that pink completed challenge folder because I have some where I don't know, it's not marked, so I don't know if I want it to go to debt or if I want it to go to the randomizer. So it might kind of just be one of those things where we wait and see, but just strictly on Tiny Tuesdays in the month of July. Granted, we had 5 of them, but I had a lot of small, micro, tiny challenges that just kept adding up. So let's see how much Oof, I'm excited. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Holy cow, we're in the tens and we're almost at 100. Okay, so that's 70. 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 209 with just my tinies was how much I saved. That's amazing. So $209 will definitely be going into my randomizer to go to all of my sinking funds and stuff that didn't really get any love during the month because I was too busy putting all of my money into savings challenges because that's way more fun to save money that way. So 209, I'm sure I'll have to count that again because I won't believe it. So yeah, we finished 5 challenges. We're going to start some Olympic ones. I can't even get the money in there. It's going to be kind of a not so pretty smush. Okay, really? Let's shove it in there. That's okay. It's just going to sit in my safe like that. Oh, I can snap it. Okay. Wow. We did it. We completed Tuesday full of tinies, finishing 5 challenges. We had a fantastic month of Christmas in July. We will see the Christmas dinosaurs in their little sweaters and mittens later on in the year. But I'm really looking forward to Thursday, where that's my first live back from after, I should say, my first live after Christmas in July, where I'll be doing some of my scratch offs where I just left off in June and just haven't looked back. And I have new games that I want to try. I have a really cute Hallmark one that I have up on my Etsy and on my website. It's just a printable, one-page printable that just cracks me up. And it does come with a dashboard, or you can make that into an envelope, but it cracks me up. So I am excited to see if you guys get it, if you like it. But yeah, you'll see a couple new games in my Thursday rotation. And until next time, everybody, I hope you have a great week. Take care. Bye.